Hello everyone. You know what always blows my mind? How fast AI is evolving every single week. Just when I think I've seen it all, something new drops and completely resets my definition of realistic. And this time, it's on another level. Today, I found an AI tool that doesn't just swap faces. It rebuilds them with movie-level realism. It's called Higgsfield Face Swap. And honestly, this is the most insane face-swapping AI I've ever tested. Whether you're a creator, a video editor, or just someone who loves experimenting with visuals, this tool will leave you speechless. We've all seen those basic face swap apps, right? The ones that make you look like a weird sticker glued on top of someone else's face. But Higgsfield? Nah, this is different. This is Hollywood-grade deepfake technology simplified for everyone. Once you sign up for a free account, you'll be greeted with a super clean and simple dashboard. Click on Face Swap by Higgsfield, and you're ready to go. Upload your own image. Upload your target photo, and just click Face Swap. Within seconds, the result appears perfectly blended and incredibly realistic. The output quality is high-res, the generation speed is lightning fast, and everything exports smoothly in one click. But that's just the beginning. Below your generated image, Higgsfield gives you a bunch of powerful tools. The first one is Upscale, which lets you increase your image resolution up to 8x without losing quality. You can pick from advanced AI models like Topaz or Face Factor and choose your scale: 1x, 2x, 4x, or even 8x. In the advanced settings, you can adjust sharpness, reduce noise, and enable face enhancement for ultra-crisp detail. Next, you've got the Animate feature, and this one is seriously fun. You can literally bring your photo to life. Make your image smile, blink, wave, or move naturally using AI-powered motion generation. It's perfect for TikTok videos, memes, or even short animations. Then comes the Edit tool, where creativity goes wild. Just draw a mask over the part you want to modify. Type a simple prompt like, and hit Generate. Higgsfield instantly gives you 4 unique variations to choose from. You can add accessories, edit expressions, or completely transform the scene, all inside the platform. And then there's the Speak option, one of the most impressive features yet. You can turn any static photo into a talking AI avatar with perfect lip sync. Just type your dialogue or upload an audio file, and Higgsfield will generate a realistic talking animation that matches the voice. It's perfect for YouTube explainer videos, virtual presenters, or even AI influencers. I'll upload a photo, pick a random target image, and click Face Swap. Within seconds, the transformation is complete, and it looks unbelievably real. The lighting and angle match perfectly. Now I'll use the Animate feature. That's how good the AI precision is. Just upload, click, and watch the magic happen. Now let's talk about pricing, because Higgsfield gives you several flexible options depending on how much you use it. For casual creators, there's the Pro plan starting at $29 per month. Perfect if you want access to premium face swaps, upscaling, and animation tools. The next one is the Ultimate plan at $49 per month, which gives you 1,200 credits, faster generation speed, and full access to all supported AI models. For power users and professional studios, the Creator plan is available at $249 per month, offering 6,000 credits, advanced editing capabilities, and priority rendering. If you choose to pay annually, Higgsfield gives you a massive discount that makes it far more affordable. The Pro plan, which normally costs $29 per month, drops to just $17.40 per month when billed yearly, saving you around 40%. Similarly, the Ultimate plan, usually $49 per month, goes down to $29.40 per month, while still offering access to all premium AI models, faster generation speeds, and 1,000 credits for face swaps, animations, and edits. These annual plans are ideal for consistent users who want full access without worrying about higher monthly costs. But here's where it gets even better. If you're not ready to commit to a subscription, Higgsfield offers a pay-as-you-go credit system. You can simply purchase credits whenever you need them, use them for specific tools like face swap, upscale, or animation, and top up anytime. No recurring charges, no hidden fees, no auto-renewals. It's completely flexible and great for occasional users, and for professionals, studios, and long-term creators, Higgsfield even has a lifetime access plan. With a one-time payment, you get permanent access to all features, updates, and tools, forever. No subscriptions, no monthly fees, just unlimited use for life. It's a perfect one-time investment for anyone serious about AI creativity and visual content creation. So if you're serious about content creation, AI art, or just want to have some fun experimenting with visuals, Higgsfield is absolutely worth checking out. The link is down in the description. Go try it out for free and see what you can create. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more AI tools and tech breakdowns, and comment below whose face swap you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.